Hello, hello.
Who this? Your boyfriend? The love of my life.
Wow. Alright, so which hairstyle I put in now, honey?
No, no, you know. Oh, you woulda like?
I don't know where you forget, you know. You see me I put in here?
Come on, no man, be.
Brazilian.
Brazilian. That too common.
Hey, lady, don't stress me out. Don't stress me out.
Right, Brazilian. Do Brazilian, Kerry. Brazilian. Alright. Alright, we finish. Wow. Nice, don't be.
You alright? Can go on. So how much fee carry?
30 grand. 30 grand. 30 grand. 30 grand. B. B. Get up, get up. Get up, B. B, one tear, get up. Get up. Oh my God, Lord of mercy. Oh my God, my baby.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir, take out that, you know. Yo, sir, take out that.
What?
Take out that 30 grand fee here. Me not pay for that, you know. That they hear they can't buy car parts, you know.
But it's nice.
Me not, yo, take out that. Me plate here will go. Me plate here. Me not pay for that, brother. Yo, me not pay for that. Yo, you deaf? Me not pay for that. Me plate here. Me cane row your ear. One cane row. Yeah, me learn cane row and do your ear. Me not pay for that. 30 grand for ear. That can buy car parts, you know. Me not buy that. No, me not buying it. Me not buying it. No.